Change control is crucial for network managers and administrators. Their nightmare is unauthorized accidental or misguided disconnection wiping out a link. Whilst conventional keyed LC fiber connector solutions prevent an unauthorized cable being plugged into an unassigned port by using dedicated keyed LC connectors and keyed specialized adapters, the biggest drawback of these designs is that they provide zero protection against accidental or malicious tampering, as the LC connection can still be unplugged from the port. AFP's goal with the Secure LC (SLC) was to design a simple mechanical solution to stop accidental tampering or service interruptions in a network that is running, and to stop people unplugging connections that they are not authorized to unplug. The AFP solution also allows secure locked cable connections to any industry-standard LC receptacle, including those on active devices in transmission equipment, for example, SFP transceivers. Similar to the traditional keyed LC solutions, AFP's SLC solution had to also prevent unauthorized connections upon adding cabling or integrating new services. How does the AFP SLC connector system work? SLC connectors are available for use at the front and at the back of a patch panel. 8 color-coded SLC keyed connector, port plug and extraction tool configurations are available as standard options. A purple administrator tool is provided to unlock all key colors. The SLC connectors are unplugged with matching color-keyed extraction tools, whose spring-loaded tips automatically delatch the LC connectors from the ports, limiting disturbance and damage to adjacent connectors. To unplug in dense, restricted patching environments, an extraction tool extension allows easy unplugging of hard-to-reach connectors. To remove the extraction tool from a connector, the unique SLC protective dust cap has to be fitted. This design disciplines the user to cap open connector ends. Complementing the connectors, AFP also provides secure LC locking port plugs, acting as locking dust caps, enabling empty adapter or transceiver LC ports to be locked, preventing unauthorized insertion of a cable assembly or connector. These are available in 8 colors as standard options. The port plugs can be disconnected in the same way as the SLC connector, simply by using the colored extraction tool. AFP's SLC connectors use rugged mini DFX type duplex cables and mini figure 8 cables and have a highly compact form factor. This enables them to be used in high-density quad adapter and back-to-back adapter applications. In addition to the SLC connector, AFP provides a wide range of factory-terminated, high-quality cable assemblies, featuring the secure LC connectivity components. These are offered custom-built with rapid delivery and interface with all industry connectivity standards. AFP provides a 900-micron duplex version of the SLC connector. These can be supplied as components which any qualified fiber technician can terminate using standard pot polish techniques. A predetermined duplex pigtail kit is also available for field fusion splicing. A novel feature of the SLC design allows the optional fitting of an RFID tag embedded in the connector. With fully IP-enabled patch panels and readers, the system provides the capability for remote assistance of network installation and integration. The RFID tagging of SLC products gives the user a unique digital watermark for each connector and assembly that can be used in a variety of ways.